Little baby fawn. It'll figure it out. Got your hazards on? Nope, not yet. Not yet. Not till it gets over by that guardrail. There we go. Good little fawn. Right. Animal in the road. Somebody's dog. Let's see if it has a collar. Oh, it's a puppy. That's definitely not a puppy though. Hey, pup. Yeah, that's not a stray. Too small. Deer. What's up, babe? Oh, she's got a baby. She's got her tail up, letting the doe know where the fawn knows where she is. Go, baby, go. There you go. Mommy taught you good. All right. The crash. Repaving the road. Come on, Festus, we gotta make a new road today. Oh, dear. Go, girl. There she goes. You can get under it. Good girl. She was, yeah. The older one went over, the younger one went under. Yeah, you gotta watch for that.